Good evening, class.
Good evening, Teacher Luis. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening.
Okay, you may take your seats.
Thank you, Sir Luis.
Okay, so today we have a new story. Ang title, basa?
Sandakat.
Okay, very good. So ato basahon natong story karon.
Sun is a black cat. When Sam gets up, he puts on a green hat. Sam likes to get the hot rat. Sam got the rat. Sam is tired. Sam will take a nap on the mat.
Okay, very good. So, magbasa mo ha by table. Nakasabot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start ang table nila. Griselda and Angela. Barog mong duha, basahon ang story. Nakasabot? Okay.
Sam the cat. Sam is a black cat. When Sam gets up, he puts on a green hat. Sam likes to get the rat.
Again?
Rats. Sam got the rat. Sam is tired.
Tired?
Sam will take a nap on the mat.
Okay, very good. Griselda and Angela. Next, Jocelyn and Lian, please stand up. Read.
Sam the cat. Sam is a black cat. When Sam gets up, he puts on a green hat. Sam likes to get the fat rat.
Okay, next.
Sam got the rat.
Okay, next.
Sam is tired. Sam will take a nap on a mat.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Jocelyn and Leah. Next, Jessie and Janmar, please stand up. Read the story.
Sam the cat. Sam is a black cat. When Sam gets up, he puts on a green hat. Sam likes to get the fat rat. Sam got the rat. Sam is tired.
Tired?
Sam will take a nap on the mat.
Okay, very good. Janmar and Jessie. Next, Bunny. Ikaw na lang man ang last. Okay, read Bunny. Louder.
Sam the cat. Sam is a black cat. When Sam gets up, he puts on a green hat. Sam likes to get the fat rat. Sam got the rat. Sam is tired. Sam will take a nap on the mat.
Okay, very good. So, nakabasa na mo tanan. So, karon na ako'y mga pangutana ha. Dapat makatubag mo. Nakasabot?
Yes, sir.
Nakasabot ba?
Yes, sir.
Ang mutubag dapat iisa ang kamot. Nakasabot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, unsay pangalan sa cat? Okay, Jocelyn.
Sam.
Okay, very good. Next. Unsay color sa cat? Okay, Bunny.
Black.
Okay, very good, Bunny. Black. Ang color ni Sam kay color black. Okay, unsay gisuot ni Sam? Janmar.
Hat.
Okay, very good. Unsay color sa hat? Okay, Griselda.
Green.
Okay, very good. Unsa man ang rat, daot or tambok?
Tampo.
Okay, very good. Tambok kay fat man siya. Okay, next. Unsa man ang tired? Okay, Jocelyn.
Kapoy.
Okay, gikapoy. Or kapoy. Ang tired kay kapoy. Ang nap? Okay, John Mark. Unsa man ang nap? Unsa ang nap? Sam will take a nap. Unsa man na siya?
Kanang muhigda.
Okay, muhigda or padulog? Matulog. Okay, very good. Unsay name? Unsay title? Okay,
Sam
Bonnie.
the cat. Sam the cat.
Okay. Jocelyn, kung dili ikaw ang tawagon, dili mo tubaghan. Nakasabot? Okay, very good. Again, unsay color sa hat? Bonnie.
Green.
Okay. Sa cat? Janmar.
Black.
Okay. Unsay pangalan sa cat? Together.
Sam.
Unsay pangalan sa cat?
Sam.
Okay, si Sam ha. Dili black liyan ha. Unsay pangalan sa cat?
Sam.
Okay, very good. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Luis. Good afternoon, classmates. It's nice to see you this afternoon.
Okay, you may take your seats.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, today we have a new story. Ang title, Payhog Basa Tanan.
The goose that laid the golden egg.
So, usa kuno ka goose nga mag-lay. Unsa nang laid? Mangitlog og golden nga eggs or gold nga itlog. Puro gold nga itlog. So, mao na atong story karon. So, karon dili ako ang mo explain sa story, but kamo nakasabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before ana basahon sa ninyo ang story. Read together.
A man and his wife had the good fortune to
Possess
possess a goose, which lay a golden egg every day. They soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough and imagining the bird must be made of gold inside. They decided to kill it to get all precious golden eggs at once. But when they cut it open, they found it was just like any other goose. Though they never got rich all at once, as they had hoped, nor enjoy any longer the daily tradition to their way.
Okay, so amo ang explain ha. So, okay, first sentence. Who wants to explain? Raise your hands. Okay, Rico, please stand up. A man and his wife had the good fortune to possess a goose which laid a golden egg every day. Okay, explain, Rico.
Ang lalaki o ang asawa kay nakatag-iya og ghost na mangitlog o gold nga itlog kada adlaw.
Okay, very good, Rico. So, ang usa kuno, sit down, Rico. Ang usa kuno ka man, ug ang iyang wife or iyang asawa kay swerte kayo, good fortune, swerte kayo kay to possess, nakatag-iya og usa ka goose nga mangitlog og golden nga egg. So, mangitlog og gold. So, ginto ha, ginto. So, kanang ginto, kay mahal ba na siya. Taga adlaw. Okay, next. They soon began to think kung unsa man na siya meaning. Isa, raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, Jasmine. They soon began to think kung sa may explanation. Naghuna-huna sila o nakahuna-huna sila. Okay, very good. Jasmine, nakahuna-huna sila. Okay, next sentence. They were not getting rich fast enough and imagining the bird must be made of gold inside. Kinsay maki-explain? Okay, rise up.
They were not getting rich fast enough. Dili ko sila pas madato.
Okay?
And imagining the bird must be made of gold. Nag-imagine sila nga ang bird kay sudya kay gold.
Okay, very good. Riza, so, they were not getting rich fast enough. Dili sila pas-pas nga nadato. Na naka-imagine sila, ang bird, kay ang sulod sa bird, kay mga gold. Okay, next. So, they decided to kill it to get all precious golden egg at once. Kasi ma-explain. Okay, Rachel, raise your hand. Unsa man, they decided to kill it o kana sa unsay pasabutan na.
Iyang
Okay.
Goose.
Naka-decide sila nga patyat ang bird. Patsunod, to get all precious golden eggs. Ang sama na siya, to get all precious golden eggs. Para,
Para makakuha sila gold.
okay, para makuha nila ang gold nga itlog sa sulod sa kanang unsa man? Sulod sa unsa man? Sulod sa anyone sa sulod sa
Bird.
o sa goose or bird. Okay, next. But when they cut it open, very good picture, sit down. But when they cut it open, they found it was just like any other goose. Kasi ma-explain. John Paul, you're not raising your hand. Okay, John Paul, stand up. So, dali. But when they cut it open, they found it was just like any other goose. Okay, Bisay Apple, explain. Unsa man? Anawa lang, basaha. Okay, say maka-help ni John Paul. Okay, Pritchell. Paminaw, Paul.
Ilang gikat ang kanang tiyan sa bird.
Okay, gikat nila ang itong bird. Pagkahuman, ilang gikat ang bird to cut it open. Tapos, they found it was just like any other goose. Unsa may pasabot, ana?
Kanang
Okay, next. Say maka-help. Okay, Rico. They found it was just like any other goose.
Nakita nila nga ang ghost kuno kay kaprera sa laing ghost.
Okay, so, pag-open nila, nga katong goose nga mangitlog o gold, kay same ra sa other nga goose. Okay, sit down. Next, John Paul ha, samang ka, maminaw ka, tapos try to answer. Nakasabot, Paul? Nakasabot ba, John Paul? Okay. Next. They neither got rich all at once. Kung sa may meaning, anak? Wala yung makakuan? Okay, ako na lang. So, they neither got rich all at once. So, pagkaibaw nila, ang sulod sa katong goose nga ilang gipatay is wala sila nakakuha og gold. Kaya katong goose, yung saman,
Kaprera sa
same ra sa other goose. So, wala na sila, nadato dayon. As they had hope. Naglaom unta sila nga pag-abli unta ato kay ang sulod gold. Dayon kay dili man, so naglaom lang paglaom, wala nakupad. Nor enjoyed longer the daily addition to their wealth. Wala na na-enjoy or dili na sila happy. Why? Kay ilan naman gipatay to ilang goose nga mangitlog og gold. So, wala na daily addition. So, wala na napunan ang ilang kayamanan, ng ilang wealth. So, nahunong na nga to kay wala naman tong golden eggs. Wala naman tong goose nga mangitlog og golden nga eggs. So, nakasabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next time, kamunay mo explain ani tibuok story ha. In your own words, dili na sentence by sentence. Nakasabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start na og memorize. Nakasabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.